Welcome to DrewTech Hub. If you're new here, special welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to archive and leave a team. So on your Webex app on the left-hand panel, you can just press Teams, go to the team that you want to archive or you want to delete or to leave. If you are the moderator of a team, once you leave the team will be deleted. But if you want to archive a team, the only thing that it will do is to hide the team that you have made, and then you can press it through this button. There will be a pop-up that's asking you if you're sure if you want to archive the team. You can press OK if you want to archive that team. Once you have confirmed that you have archived the team, it'll show up here on the Teams tab. You can view all of your archived teams or all of the teams that you've hidden. Once you want it activated, just go to the team, press activate, and it's going to go back to an active team. If you want to leave a team, on the bottom hand corner, you will see leave team, and it's going to be giving you this pop-up. So once you are sure you want to leave a team, you could just press leave and you will be left out of that team. So that's it. That's how you leave and archive a team on Webex.